Hey makers, did you find your file list got full so easily, yet so much trouble deleting them one by one on the controller? Are you still using this way to delete your files? Well then, this video is specially made for you. Let's try to find your file list from your Lightburn. If it's not there, then just click Window and hit File List, and we go back here. Well, sometimes it shows no file here, it just needs to refresh. Give it a time. And here we go. You can delete whichever you want, or you can delete them all. It's worth mentioning that you could also do that on your controller. Just press File, go to Other, and hit Delete them all. That'll do the work too. Okay, I hope this video would be helpful for you. See you next time. Bye!